Good morning, everyone. Introduce us from Group 9, which consists of me, Gracia Genisa, Nita Fitria, and Nur Octavia. Here we will present about can I talk to Dr. Jim and present perfect progressive. Okay, for the first speaker, Nita Fitria. Nita Fitria, dipersilakan.
Ya, Gracia. Next slide. A conversation. A patient wants to meet Dr. James. Doctor assistant. Good morning. How may I help you? Dr. Octavia. Dr. Octa.
Yeah, patient, good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor.
Have you been in to come here, miss?
Yes, I have. I had an examination 6 months ago.
Okay, what is your name?
Venice Hamilton.
Thank you, Miss Hamilton. I'm going to search your file. This is it. Can you describe your health concern?
I have an itchy rash that I need the doctor to look at.
Have you been feeling any joint access and fever with that rash? No.
No, I don't. It just itches a lot.
Fine. Do you need urgent care?
No, not necessarily. I just need to see the doctor soon. Can I see Dr. James today at 2 o'clock?
Unfortunately, he is not available at 2 o'clock. How about at 4 o'clock? He is available at 4 o'clock. Nur?
Ya, maaf tadi keluar. Bisa diulang lagi, Mut?
Yeah. Unfortunately, he is not available at 2 o'clock. How about at 4 o'clock? He is available at 4 o'clock.
It's okay.
Or maybe if you want to see the doctor, senior Dr. Smith is available at 2 o'clock.
I would like to meet Dr. James. It's okay if I need to see him at 4 o'clock.
Okay, then I will write you in on Dr. Jim's schedule. We will see you at your scheduled appointment time.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Hamil. B. Reading a text. Read the article below and answer the question. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease, also known in medical literature as Alzheimer's disease (AD), is the most common form of dementia. There is no cure for the disease, which worsens as it progresses and eventually leads to death more often. AD is diagnosed in people over 65 years of age. Although the less prevalent early onset Alzheimer can occur much early in.
Oke, sepertinya Nita keluar mental. Dilanjutin ya. There were 26 million sufferers worldwide. Alzheimer's is predicted to affect 1 in 5 people globally by 2015. Although Alzheimer's disease develops differently for every individual, there are many common symptoms. Early symptoms are often mistakenly thought to be age-related concern on or manifestation of stress. In the early stage, the most common symptom is difficulty in remembering recent events. When AD is suspect, the diagnosis is usually confirmed with tests that evaluate behavior, thinking abilities, often followed by a brain scan if available. Next. As the disease advances, symptoms can include confusion, irritability, and aggression, mood swings, trouble with language, and long-term memory loss. As the sufferer declines, they often withdraw from family and society. Gradually, bodily function are lost, ultimately leading to death. Since the disease is different for each individual, predicting how it will affect the person is difficult. AD default Alzheimer's disease default for an unknown and variable amount of time before becoming fully apparent, and it can progress undiagnosed for years. On average, the life expectancy following diagnosis is approximately 7 years. Fewer than 3% of individuals live more than 14 years after diagnosis. Adult stem cell therapy will provide a cure by compensating the lost neural system. Stem cells exhibit target migration towards the damaged regions of the brain. When the aggravated proliferate and mature into functional neurons, neural pressure cells can be intravenous administered and yet migrate into brain damage areas and induce function recovery.
Nur, biar aku yang lanjutin. Maaf tadi keluar.
Ya, nggak apa-apa, Mut.
Alzheimer, penyakit Alzheimer juga dikenal dalam literatur medis sebagai penyakit Alzheimer atau AD adalah bentuk paling umum dari demensia. Tidak ada obat untuk penyakit ini yang semakin memburuk seiring perkembangannya dan akhirnya menyebabkan kematian. Lebih sering, AD didiagnosis pada orang berusia di atas 65 tahun, meskipun Alzheimer dini yang kurang umum dapat terjadi jauh lebih awal. Pada tahun 2006, terdapat 26,6 juta penderita di seluruh dunia. Alzheimer diperkirakan akan mempengaruhi 1 dari 85 orang secara global pada tahun 2050. Meskipun penyakit Alzheimer berkembang secara berbeda untuk setiap individu, ada banyak gejala umum. Gejala awal yang sering keliru dianggap sebagai kekhawatiran berkaitan dengan usia atau manifestasi stres. Pada tahap awal, gejala yang paling umum adalah kesulitan mengingat kejadian baru-baru ini. Ketika dicurigai AD, diagnosis biasanya dikonfirmasi dengan tes yang mengevaluasi perilaku di kemampuan berpikir, sering diikuti dengan pemindaian otak jika tersedia. Seiring perkembangan penyakit, gejalanya bisa termasuk kebingungan, lekas marah, dan agresi, sayap suasana hati, masalah dengan bahasa, dan kehilangan ingatan jangka panjang. Sebagai penderita menurun, mereka sering menarik diri dari keluarga dan masyarakat. Secara bertahap, fungsi tubuh hilang, akhirnya menyebabkan kematian. Karena penyakit ini berbeda untuk setiap individu, memprediksi bagaimana hal itu akan mempengaruhi orang itu sulit. AD berkembang untuk waktu yang tidak diketahui dan bervariasi sebelum menjadi jelas sepenuhnya dan dapat berkembang tanpa terdiagnosis selama bertahun-tahun. Rata-rata, harapan hidup setelah didiagnosis adalah sekitar 7 tahun. Kurang dari 3% individu hidup lebih dari 14 tahun setelah didiagnosis. Terapi sel induk dewasa akan memberikan penyembuhan dengan mengkompensasi sistem saraf yang hilang.
Baik, kayaknya Nimut keluar lagi. Dilanjutin lagi. Sel punca menunjukkan migrasi yang ditargetkan ke daerah otak yang rusak, di mana mereka dicangkokkan berkembang biak dan dimatangkan menjadi neuron fungsional. Sel-sel prekursor saraf dapat diberikan secara intravena, namun migrasi ke area otak yang rusak dan menginduksi pemulihan fungsional. Next.
Next slide. Next will be read by Nur Okta.
Oke, Cia, makasih. See language function conjunction. Number 1, coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction join equal sentence parts. They are used to join any parallel elements of the sentence. She is beautiful but lazy. 2 adjectives. Which one do you like, coffee or tea? 2 objects. My brother sang and danced on my birthday part. 2 predicates. There are 7 coordinate conjunction for and, nor, but, or, yet, and, so. For and so reason, karena dan jadi menunjukkan alasan. I did not join trip, for my mother was sick. Saya tidak ikut trip karena ibu saya sakit. The dress was so expensive, so I did not buy it. Gaun itu sangat mahal, jadi saya tidak membelinya. His daughter is so cute, so everyone wants to kiss her. Putrinya sangat lucu, jadi semua orang ingin menciumnya. Next slide. And so, augmentation dan menunjukkan augmentasi. He is a smart boy, and he is also friendly. Dia anak yang pintar, dan dia juga ramah. I did my homework in the bedroom, and my mother cooked in the kitchen. Saya mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah saya di kamar tidur, dan ibu saya memasak di dapur. Or and nor, so, contrast, or alternation, atau dan tidak menunjukkan kontras atau pergantian. I will you join me to visit grandpa's house or are you going to stay at home? Maukah kamu bergabung denganku untuk mengunjungi rumah kakek atau kamu akan tinggal di rumah? I do not like watching romance movie, nor do I like reading romance novel. Saya tidak suka menonton film romantis. Saya juga tidak suka membaca novel romantis. Next slide. But and yet so contrast. tetapi dan namun menunjukkan kontras. His mother moves to London, but he stays in Jakarta. Ibunya pindah ke London, tetapi dia tetap di Jakarta. Bobby likes to watch football much, yet he cannot play football. Bobby suka jadi nonton pertandingan sepak bola, namun dia tidak bisa bermain sepak bola. Next slide. Number 2, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used in Paris. They may be used to join two basic sentence patterns of two parallel elements. They are either blah 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 or blah blah blah, neither blah 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 nor blah blah blah, both blah 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 and blah blah blah, not only blah 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 but also blah blah blah. Here are the example correlative conjunctions used to join both sentence parts full sentence. Either you will tell me the truth, or I will show you. Baik, Anda akan memberitahu saya kebenarannya, atau saya akan menuntutmu. She is neither smart nor diligent. Dia tidak pintar atau rajin. Both my mother and my father like cooking. Baik, ibu saya dan ayah saya suka memasak. She is not only smart, but she is also diligent. Dia tidak hanya pintar, tetapi dia juga rajin. Not only is she smart, but is also diligent. Tidak hanya dia pintar, tetapi juga rajin. Next slide. Correlative conjunction. Number 1, to subject connected by both blah 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 and blah 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 take a plural verb. Both my mother and my father are here. Both my sister and my brother are so cute. Number 2, when two subjects are connected by not only blah 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 but also blah blah blah, either blah blah or blah blah and neither blah blah not blah blah, the subject that is closer to the verb determines whether the verb is singular or plural. Neither my sister nor my mother is here. Neither my brother nor my parents are here. Not only my mother, but also my father is here. Not only my brother, but also my parents are here. Next slide.
Present perfect progressive tense atau present perfect continuous sentence adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aksi yang telah selesai pada suatu titik di masa lalu atau aksi yang telah dimulai di masa lalu dan terus berlanjut sampai sekarang. Rumus present perfect progressive tense atau present perfect continuous tense. Pola kalimat present perfect progressive tense terbagi menjadi dua rumus, yaitu verbal present perfect progressive tense dan nominal present perfect progressive tense. Next slide. Fungsi present perfect progressive menunjukkan aksi yang telah selesai. The contraction laborers are thirsty signs they have been removing the scaffoldings. Mandy feels full as she's been eating half of the tart. Menunjukkan aksi yang baru saja selesai. Sorry, you are late. He has just been going to the airport. Please take off your shoes because I just have been sweeping the floor. Menunjuk aksi yang telah dimulai pada masa lampau. Driving a car through the rain for an hour. The passengers have been waiting for the next flight since this morning. Time signal of present perfect progressive. Time signal, sign meaning sejak, for selama, the whole day sepanjang hari, so far sampai saat ini, ever since sejak saat itu, lately akhir-akhir ini, all day, all night, all week sepanjang hari, malam, atau minggu, all the morning sepanjang pagi, all my life sepanjang hidupku, since 11 o'clock sejak pukul 8, for over 5 years selama lebih dari 5 tahun.
Oke, verbal present perfect progressive, positive subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ing plus COA. Negative subject plus has, have plus not, plus been plus verb ing plus COA. Interrogative has, have plus plus S plus been plus verb ing plus COA. Has, see, he, it, have, I, you, they, we. Example, positive, I have been waiting for 2 hours. Negative, I have not been waiting for 2 hours. Interrogative, have you been waiting for 2 hours? Positive, my grandparents have been drinking coffee. Negative, my grandparents have not been drinking coffee. Interrogative, have my grandparents been drinking coffee? Next slide. Nominal present perfect progressive has, she, he, it, have, I, you, they, we. Positive, subject plus has, have, plus been, plus being, plus noun, adjective, adverb. Negative, subject plus has, have, plus not, plus been, plus being, plus noun, adjective, adverb. Interrogative, has, have, plus subject, plus been, plus being, plus noun, adjective, adverb. Example, positive, Chernobyl radiation has been being the most tragic nuclear accident in 1986. Negative, Chernobyl radiation hasn't been being the most tragic nuclear accident in 1986. Interrogative, has Chernobyl radiation been being the most tragic nuclear accident in 1986. Positive, they have been being polite with me. Negative, they haven't been being polite with me. Interrogative, have they been being polite with me? Next slide.